The best home treatments for a sore throat. Except in the case of strep throat, which is a bacterial infection, antibiotics are usually not necessary for a sore throat. It's not uncommon for people to get relief from ache and annoyance with the use of home remedies. There may be remedies for your sore throat that you haven't tried yet in your kitchen's pantry. Natural therapies such as the ones listed below are worth a shot. An ocean of salt. In addition to killing bacteria, loosening mucus, and reducing inflammation, salt water can also help ease pain. You can gargle with a solution of half a teaspoon of salt in 8 ounces of warm water. Your sore throat can be relieved with a saltwater gargle at least twice daily. Honey. Honey's antimicrobial characteristics help it treat wounds and tame coughs. 2 tablespoons of honey in hot water or tea should do the trick. The best antibacterial properties can be found in Manuka honey, although this type of honey can be extremely pricey. Tea. For generations, people have turned to herbal teas to ease the discomfort of a sore throat. It's possible that the combination of the soothing heat of the drink and the healing powers of the herbs will be just what the doctor ordered. Tea, in general, may be beneficial. Chamomile, turmeric, green, peppermint, and raspberry tea are among the most well-known and beneficial types of tea. Cayenne pepper and hot sauce. As unbelievable as it may sound, a painful throat can be relieved with some hot sauce or cayenne pepper. Both are derived from capsaicin-rich peppers and can be used to alleviate pain and inflammation. A warm glass of water with a dash of spicy sauce or a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper is a great way to relieve a sore throat. Sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda. Although saltwater gargling is more usual, gargling baking soda can also help soothe a sore throat. According to conventional wisdom, this practice eliminates bacteria and stops the proliferation of yeasts and molds. Gargle with a solution of 1 teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in a glass of warm water. Humidifier. Another fantastic approach to easing your sore throat is with a humidifier, which isn't something you'd find in your cupboard. Having a sore throat is uncomfortable, and dry air isn't helping. Having a humidifier running while you sleep will help keep your nasal passages wet and clear. Roots of licorice. Ancient civilizations like China, India, and Assyria used licorice root for medical purposes. Licorice has been studied and found to have potential for treating sore throats, gastrointestinal problems, and eczema. It is generally agreed that moderate consumption of licorice root is safe. High blood pressure and changes in electrolytes can result from taking large doses of the drug or taking it for an extended period of time. Licorice should be avoided by pregnant women and women who are breastfeeding their children because of the potential for adverse effects on the infants. Peppermint. Many over-the-counter remedies for coughs and sore throats, such as those containing the plant peppermint, work by stimulating the body's natural production of menthol. Peppermint's leaves and oils are where the plant's health benefits are concentrated. Peppermint tea or peppermint essential oil used in aromatherapy is a popular way for people to deal with muscle and joint pain. However, peppermint oil shouldn't be used on young children because it can cause breathing problems. Soup or broth. When you're not feeling well, nothing beats a warm bowl of soup or a bowl of broth. It's true that your soup probably won't cure your sore throat, but at least it's good for you. The steam from the soup can help open your sinuses, which may provide temporary relief. When you're not feeling very hungry, broth or soup might help you get the nutrients you need. The additional fluid also helps you stay hydrated and reduces mucus production. The electrolytes lost through sweat, diarrhea, or vomiting due to an infection can be replenished by the sodium in the broth, which also helps your body maintain the fluids it is taking in. Enjoy the soup a kind friend or family member brought over, even though it may not be a quick fix.